We are going on a train trip to Orlando and doing the sleeper car. The whole idea of this trip was to take a vacation without taking time off work. So we're leaving at 9 p.m. on Friday, getting back Monday morning at 8:30 a.m. I'm most excited about sleeping, like to wake up and be in a new city. Are you excited to sleep on a train?
No. I've been on some old, not so nice Amtraks, but on some nice Amtraks. It could be fine.
Made it to the station. Train was delayed again till 10:30. He called us all on. He said all aboard, so we're going to board. We're waiting for the train. Got a nice view of downtown Raleigh. First impressions?
I can't fit in the room. Stop filming.
I will say it looked bigger in the video.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna be like this.
I like it. I got a lot of room down here.
Yeah. Stop it.
Utilizing the toilet slash stairs slash sink.
Thingy. Suitcases.
I'll put my suitcase up here. Here's a quick demonstration of how small it is.
If you're any bigger than us, you cannot fit in here.
So we got a lock on the door, a little double lock action, a privacy shade. And it looks like we're moving.
Oh my god.
Get some footage.
We're moving. This is happening.
We are off and rolling on our way to Orlando. The bed's really comfortable. Just enjoying the train.
Hope he figures out the air conditioning.
They have a little fan down here and a fan up there. They're just not blowing that hard and that cold. Filling up our first glass of wine.
Rowdy Red. For all your outdoor adventures or train adventures. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, we just woke up actually a little while ago and we put the beds back to 2 chairs. Last night was pretty good. Set up this iPad here on this belt and watched a movie on it. How'd you sleep, Jess?
Pretty good.
I look sweaty.
I look so sweaty.
Took a little bit to fall asleep with the moving train and it sort of jerks sometimes, but I think it was a successful night. What do you think?
I'm sweaty.
And I just took a shower in the shower cart and just making the rounds, calling her family.
I'm on the train.
And we're just cruising.
We're in the dining room. Trying to get breakfast. It feels better out here because our room's really hot.
Had some sausage, egg, and cheese, and free coffee, and free OJ, and a sleeper car.
Ready to get off the train. I like the train, but I'm excited to be in Orlando.
I may need a nap.
Oh.
This is what our room looks like. This isn't ours, but this is one not set up. We've got a seat here. Bathroom, toilet right there. We made it! I think the train we take back is a different number, so maybe we'll have good AC on that one, but the other car was nice and cool, so that was really the only downside of the whole thing, I think, just hot. Got the rental car, Volkswagen Passat, so we're going to our Airbnb, and we just hit a ton of traffic on I-4. This is the pool. nice. Here's our room. There's Jess. Walking to lunch, downtown Orlando.
Evan fell asleep by the pool.
Yeah, I fell asleep by the pool.
I had to wake him up and get us dinner. And then we went to bed at 11 and slept for 10 hours. So we are feeling good today.
Yeah. All right, here we are in downtown Disney. Jess's request wants to do something Disney.
Made it.
So we are in Disney Springs. We're in line to get a picture with Mickey.
We are at the old Key West Resort in Disney World, and we're waiting for brunch. We just got some drinks. We're walking around the pool, and we're thinking about sneaking into the pool. We're gonna go see the Star Wars stuff.
We had a drink there, and it was good. It's part of the Rainforest Cafe.
We are about to leave Disney. Very sad. It's really pretty out.
Well, we made it to the train station. So last time we got in the room and they had already converted it. Converting it is when they change it from the 2 seats to the 2 beds. When it was already converted to 2 beds, when you walk in there, like 2 people can't stand up at one time and it's just really packed. So it'd be nice to kind of get situated with just 2 chairs. Orlando Brewing is a 7-minute walk from here, and we may just bring all of our bags and walk over there. Jess, where are we?
Orlando Brewing. We just made it to the train station on time. Our train's coming in. The brewery is super cool. We got our own little personal concert.
First impressions.
The bed is not made, so that's cool. You can actually fit in here this time. So we're just standing here awkwardly with all of our stuff.
First weather report is...
AC works.
What's that?
Air conditioning works. All settled. Luggage is stowed.
We got 2 backpacks right here. And we're gonna get the nice camera because it's got the wider angle. We'll show you what it looks like. Getting up on the train about 8 a.m. and supposed to arrive in Raleigh at 9:30. Nice morning. We're arriving in Raleigh in about 20 minutes. Just getting some work done on the train. Last night was, I didn't sleep great. It was pretty bumpy, but probably with practice that could get better. It was an adventure, so till next time. Got off at the Cary stop, waiting on my dad to pick us up. We'll catch you on the next one.